Hey guys, it's Matt with Ace That Q, and today we're going to be making some bologna burnt ends. Check the description below for the recipe and all the items used on today's cook. So I'm almost done cutting up this bologna. I decided I wanted to do it about a 1-inch cubed. So I just went around, sliced up this whole thing. Now that we got the bologna all cubed up, now it's time to season it. Today we're going to use a binder, which is going to be the W sauce. We're then going to use Bayou dust and rub-a-dub. Pop up my tray here. This tray is a very awesome little tool to have, made by Drip Ease. It's collapsible and has a cutting board, so I was able to cut it up today. And now I brought it up, raised it up, and then we're going to drizzle all of our stuff on it, and you won't make a mess. So, all right, let's just go ahead and just start using quite a bit of this W sauce. So we're just going to stir it around, get it all mixed up. Try to coat all sides of the bologna. Now we're going to do a 50-50 blend of the rub-a-dub and the Bayou dust. So just sprinkle all that on there. And then stir it all together. And you want to try to get a nice even coat all the way around. Now that we got all these coated, we're going to go ahead and put them on the Traeger grill at 225 degrees. This will take about 2 hours, so let's go take them down to the Traeger and let them smoke. I just pulled these off the grill. We're going to add them into a pan. We're then going to put some brown sugar on top of them, your favorite barbecue sauce. Today we're using Blues Hogs Champions Blend. Then we're going to top with fire honey, and then add a stick of butter to the top of it. We'll put it back into the Traeger at 300 degrees and let it sit for 30 to 45 minutes to caramelize. All right, I just pulled these off the Traeger, and man, these things look and smell fantastic. I mean, just look at that. Nice red smoke ring all throughout it. Nice caramelization on it from the butter and brown sugar. And man, I just can't wait. Let's just dig in. Wow, that's good.